Enhancing breast size at home without surgery. Are you looking to enhance your breast size without resorting to surgery or invasive procedures? We understand that this is a common goal for many, and there are natural ways to support you in achieving this. Here is a comprehensive guide from the anatomy of the breasts, nutrients that stimulate growth, to a healthy lifestyle along with a nourishing smoothie recipe. The female breast is primarily composed of fat tissue, connective tissue, and milk glands. The size of the breasts is largely determined by the amount of fat tissue. Meanwhile, the connective tissue and milk glands support reproductive functions and nourishment. Breast size can vary due to a variety of factors including genetics, age, diet, and overall health. In the journey to find natural solutions to increase breast size, understanding the role of specific nutrients and a healthy lifestyle is key to achieving your goals safely and effectively. Among the crucial nutrients, phytoestrogens stand out with their ability to mimic the activity of natural estrogen, promoting the development of breast tissue. Soybeans, tofu, and flax seeds are rich sources of phytoestrogens, aiding in breast size improvement when consumed regularly. Additionally, vitamins B6 and E along with minerals such as magnesium and selenium play significant roles. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage and supports cell regeneration, while vitamin B6 aids in hormone balance. Magnesium and selenium strengthen connective tissue health and enhance protein metabolism, facilitating the growth of fat cells. Healthy fats from olive oil, salmon, and various nuts provide energy and essential fatty acids, where omega-3 from salmon helps reduce inflammation and supports healthy cell development. Combined with a balanced, nutrient-rich diet and avoiding nutritionally deficient diets are essential for natural breast development. Moreover, a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise and sufficient sleep is equally important. Exercises such as weightlifting or yoga not only improve breast firmness but also enhance blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. Quality sleep, on the other hand, helps balance hormones, including growth hormones and estrogen, which play a central role in maintaining and increasing breast size naturally. These factors, when combined, create a solid foundation for safe and healthy breast development. Below is the recipe for a breast-enhancing smoothie. Ingredients: 200 ml unsweetened soy milk, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 ripe banana, 5 to 6 strawberries, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, ice cubes, if preferred cold. Instructions: prepare, wash and prepare the ingredients, blend. Place all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Enjoy immediately to ensure fresh taste and maximum nutrition. Increasing breast size naturally requires patience and consistency. No method can guarantee immediate results, but dietary changes and lifestyle adjustments, along with specific exercises, can significantly improve your outcome. Remember, each individual is unique, and it's important to feel satisfied and healthy in your body.